Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with chapter 8, which is cell, the unit of life. In this world, there are two types of things, as we all know, living things and non-living things, which are in living things where the cell is present, in non-living things the cell is absent. So these are inanimate things. Okay. Coming to the living organisms, where the basic structural and functional unit of life, the cell, is present. There are two types based on presence of number of cells in an organism. These are unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. As we all know, in unicellular organisms, single cell is present. So these are also known as single celled organisms, which are capable of independent existence and performing all its necessary functions of life within one cell. Where here independent existence mean they can survive performing all its essential life functions like metabolism, reproduction, response to any external stimuli without relying on any other cells. Examples of this can be bacteria, which is E. coli and lactobacillus species, protists, amoeba, in fungi, yeast, and in algae, chlamydomonas species, and etc. Coming to multicellular organisms, defined as living organisms which are composed of more than one cell, which have a specialized cells which perform different specialized functions. Okay, and here these multicellular organisms which have complex structure where cells are organized into tissues, which in turn organize into organs, which in turn organize into organ systems which perform various specialized functions in our body. Examples of multicellular organisms: humans, plants, in fungi, mushrooms, molds, etc., in algae, seaweeds, red algae, kelps, which are known grasses, etc. Note, anything whatever may be, which is less than having a complete structure of cell, does not ensure independent living. Coming to the scientists who described a living cell and nucleus, there are two scientists. Coming to first one, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, who first seen and described a living cell under the microscope. He is known as a father of microbiology. He improved microscope designs and discovered many microorganisms. He observed the living cell using his handcrafted microscope in 1670s. And he also described many microorganisms like bacteria, Streptococcus and Staphylococcus species, which are arranged in clusters like grape-like clusters and chains. In Protozoa, RPC, sperm cells, etc. Coming to Robert Brown, who is Scottish botanist, made a significant contributions in botany and cell biology. He discovered a nucleus in 1831 in plant cells. He also described the Brownian motion, and he worked on plant taxonomy and described many new species. In next video, we are going to discuss about cell theory. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Until then, bye.